Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at Google Keep right here on this computer. But as I can see, we don't have it installed right here on this computer. So I'm going to bring up the browser right here. Alright, you notice I'm signing in. So if you don't sign in, I'm going to bring it to a sign-in page. But we want to focus right here on the 9 o'clock. That's I'm going to click it. Alright, so we're going to scroll down and look for Keep. So this is Surface Keep. So I want to click on Keep. Definitely you can also access it directly when you're in your email. Alright, if you notice right here, you show that you can actually take a note. You notice I have several sections right in here. Alright, definitely. So right here you can actually take a note. Right, you can give a reminder. You can also edit label. You can actually archive it. You can put it to trash. Right, but if you notice right up here, you can actually upload photo. Definitely right back to your desktop. That's all after up here. So if I come right here, I can click. You notice I show you new. So these are some pencils and all that you can actually use. Right, I can click right here. You can actually go back. You can actually come like this and close it. Yeah, so definitely this one is empty. So if you click on it, look at tick right here. You notice you brighten it, which means actually you can actually print it. Right, you go back here, you notice right here the bell. If you notice right here, show that you can collaborate with others. But if you click right here, you can actually adjust the background. You can also insert photo. Right here you can archive. But if you come right here, you can also delete the note. You notice all of this. You can also make a copy and all that. So this is how you actually move it. So you can actually keep notes and set the reminder that definitely you can actually access it just the same. Very important here. And not only that, you can actually access it if you are in the email section of things. So very important. So this is Surface Google Keep. So if you want a new blank section to write a note, you just simply come right here. Notice it's a new annotated. Click. You notice bring up a new section which you can actually write. You can go back. Right, you notice it shows that I can put in the title and everything. Right, go there and notice you can actually start a note. Right, and then close it. Right, so if you notice, save automatically. If you want to get rid of it, you notice you can also print, save and all that. If you want to get rid of it, you notice, let me go, you can come right here, get rid of that, show that you can actually delete it, just the same. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.